The Waterfall, a short story by Shelley. Once upon a time, there lived a young artist named Jane. She often ventured out of her studio, seeking inspiration for her next masterpiece. One day, as the first rays of sunlight painted the sky with hues of gold, she embarked on an adventure that would take her deep into the realms of nature's beauty. As the hours went by, Jane found herself in a bustling city. She explored vibrant markets and drew sketches capturing the spirit of the merchants and their wares. She wandered down streets adorned with intricate street art, each conveying a tale of hope, love, and resilience. The city enveloped Jane, refueling her creativity. It was alive with colors, sounds, and stories. Some of the new friends she met there had whispered of a mystical waterfall hidden deep within the heart of an ancient forest. It was rumored to possess magical properties that could transform the most ordinary painting into an extraordinary masterpiece. Intrigued, Jane continued her quest, hoping to find this amazing cascade. Her path took her across meandering streams and over beautiful hillsides until she ventured into the vast expanse of an open meadow, where the wind whispered through the tall grass and the air was alive with the sweet scent of blooming wildflowers. In need of a rest, Jane sat upon a large stone and painted the beautiful meadow with gentle strokes of her brush, capturing the essence of serenity and freedom. Across the meadow, a striking vision materialized and came galloping to meet her. The four-legged creature said her name was Gypsy, and told Jane amusing stories that lifted her spirit. Gypsy offered to give Jane a ride on her back to the edge of the great forest, to which she readily agreed with a broad smile and a deep curtsy. The ride was unlike anything she had ever experienced before. Upon arriving at the edge of the forest, Jane dismounted, and promising to include Gypsy in one of her upcoming paintings, she waved and went on her way. Jane entered the dense forest and heard the gentle rustling of leaves. She wandered through the dappled sunlight, marveling at the interplay of shadows and the dance of leaves above her head. She diligently sketched the delicate details of ferns and wildflowers, immersing herself in the symphony of nature's palette, and continued on, her anticipation growing with each step. After traversing winding paths and climbing over moss-covered rocks, between the branches of a tree Jane caught her first glimpse of the mesmerizing waterfall. It cascaded down with such force and elegance that it took her breath away. The water shimmered in the sunlight, reflecting hues of blue and gold, captivating her artist's soul and fueling her creative spirit. Jane wasted no time in setting up her easel and arranging her paints. Her heart brimming with excitement, she dipped her brush into the deep sapphire, the color of endless possibilities. She swirled it across the canvas, capturing the tumultuous power of the falling water and the dreams that danced among the spray. She added touches of blue, the color of tranquility, and it swirled into the sapphire, reminding her of the gentle spirits who had led her through the forest, and a sense of wonder washed over her. Naples yellow, the color of warmth and joy, was next, to add the enchanting dance of sunlight on the water's surface. With each stroke, Jane imagined the smiling faces of the friends she had met along her journey, and their infectious laughter radiated from the canvas, infusing it with life. Finally, she added a touch of black paint, just a hint, to add depth, contrast, and a bit of mystery. Lost in her artistic trance, it felt as though the forest itself was whispering its secrets to her, guiding her hand with every stroke. The colors swirled and merged, transforming her canvas into a living, breathing testament to the beauty of nature. Later, returning home, Jane realized that her painting not only immortalized her journey, but also sparked the imagination of countless others. It served as a reminder that within every artist's adventure lies the potential to unveil the world's hidden beauty and inspire generations to come. And so, Jane's legacy lives on, forever entwined with the vibrant strokes of her masterpiece. The end.